I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, and welcome back to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Okay, I picked up these three generic Lego kits at, I think it was General Dollar or Dollar General. They were $1 piece. They got 23 piece, 25 piece, 27 piece. It says here they're compatible, fits all leading brands. But I'm just going to open them up, take a look at them, maybe put one together and see just how, I don't know, Lego-like they are. So let's start off with, let's do the 23 piece one. Okay, so there we go. Dumped everything out. They look like Legos. Let's see if we got all the parts. We should have 23 pieces. Okay, looks like we got 23 pieces. So let's start with step one. Step one says, it's hard to read, got really small numbers on here and letters. See, 1 times 2 by 4. That's a big block. 1 times a black one, 1 by 4. And 2 times these ones with little knobs on them. Okay, on to step 2. Step 2 says 1 by 4 black, or 2 of those, and this fancy piece, and these 2 yellow parts. Okay, step 3 says we need these little angle pieces. 2 of those, 1 of these, and 2 little things that look like lights. Okay, now on to step 4. Says we need this piece and this piece. Step 5, it's got 4 times wheels, that's these. And step 6 says we're done, but then it's got a little subset here on the side. Guess that's a little dude. So there it is, pretty simple instructions. They don't have a lot of detail, but you don't really need much, only 23 pieces. And the little car rolls. Let's try one of the other ones now. Okay, the next one's a helicopter, it's 25 pieces. Okay, we've got 25 pieces, so let's start with step 1. Step 1 is 2 times these little gray pieces and 1 time this big red piece. It looks like it's a platform for everything to sit on. Okay, that's like our landing gear. Step 2 says 1 time, oh, that's a clear piece. 1 time this red piece, and 2 times these gray pieces. Okay, step 3, some white pieces, 2 times these and 2 times these. Okay, done with step 3. On to step 4. Got this one with the little piece sticking out. This long red one. And looks like this rotor of some sort. Okay. Step 4. Step 5, we need this round black piece, this white piece, and a double red. Okay, we're getting down to the real nitty gritty here. Number 6, 2 times these 2 flat blacks, 2 times these long black, and 1 times this blue one. Okay, that's step 6, and then we got step 7, got a little dude to put together. So there's the helicopter, and there's a little dude. That one was actually a little more fun than the first one because it had moving parts and everything looks exciting. So let's try one more. Okay, our last one is Make It Box Fireman with ATV. 27 pieces, so let's get this apart. Okay, looks like we got all 27 parts, so let's see, we got, 8 steps in this one. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is grab 2 axles and then just put them here and here. Looks like they're like 1 block apart. Step 2, 1 times this big red one, 1 times this funky black one, 1 times this white one here, and 2 times these little red ones. That's step 2. Step 3, we need this piece times 1 this blue piece times 1 this rod times 1 this angle part and times 1 this fancy deal. Okay, this one's a little bit difficult to see. It shows a solid 2x6 piece here, but it's actually all these parts put together like this. There we go. So there's step 3. On to step 4. Step 4, a lot more red pieces also. This one and these 2 wings here. Okay, on to step 5. Step 5 is this little red piece here, and it looks like this piece there. Okay, step 6, we got this black piece with a little round tip on top. Then we got this gray piece here, and this fancy black piece over here. That's 6. So sub-assembly 7, or assembly 7, is putting the wheels together. Oh, that looks pretty cool. And 8 shows it all fully assembled, and another little dude here. Put the little dude together. There he is. He's riding a little ATV. That one was a little challenging because of step 3 being so hard to see how it gets put together because there's no shadow lines showing that there's separate blocks on that layer, but it was still pretty easy. I think anybody could put it together, and it's not bad for $1. So, thanks for watching. Stop street racing, you jerks. You're gonna get killed. You're all under arrest.